Hi everyone, this is a Volvo Penta 3.0. It's a GM block. This boat is actually 2008. And I have a problem with one of these hoses a couple of days ago. This is the one I just replaced it with a new one. Look what happened. It's very hard to believe that this actually happened. This hose just blew. Was original part number here. Again, this is a 2008 boat, not too old. We very well maintained. But again, I had this issue. I have a video clip in the end that shows how we had to kind of improvise to make it run for a few miles till we got rescue. But here we are. $35 hose that cost me a lot of money for a towboat to pick us up in the lake. This is the one. Very quickly to replace, just unscrew these clips right here and get it out, put a new one. I think it should be good to go. If I start the engine here, so let's see. Running pretty well. Nothing actually got damaged. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Lenta. Estamos longe pra caralho, mas vai dar certo, vai dar certo. Resolvemos aqui paliativamente.